to take it from me, and his love is no longer my own. Now there I go, and I sit alone and watch one cigarette burn away. I watched it taken from me,